Yo YouTube, what is going on? It's your boy Zap, back with another video, and guess what? We're going to race motive. We got the trailer right here, and you already know we're loading up. We're going to race motive, because why not? We want to test out the trailer situation, because we do plan on going on to Maryland for race motive as well, so why not test it out? Even though it's not that far of a drive, race motive Poconos is like maybe 2 hours away. So you already know we got M5, one, and then the second one is coming. So 2 M5s going to race motive. This is gonna be great. Stay tuned, guys. Yo boys, we just loaded up the trailer. We got the Ram 2500, 2 M5s in the back. This is gonna be crazy. Yo boys, we just pulled over for some food. You already know, cars are looking good. Straps are tight. Yes sir, we're good. Looks fire. Can't wait. Well, this is on our way to the Airbnb, so we're gonna eat some food, probably some Five Guys or Qdoba, and then see you guys in the morning. Hey boys, it's another 2 PA in the morning of first morning. Rolling on right now. Yeah. I'm gonna head out in like 5 minutes and be there. Guys, so we made it to race motive. We got my wristband. You already know we're coming through the gates right now for tech inspection, so stay tuned when we hit the track. Guys, we're back. We just did our first run. Look at all these cars. Just ran 152 in the third. Not too bad. That was our first lap. I did let off a little early, so you know, hopefully we'll get a little faster this time. But yeah, Civic just broke down on the track, so we'll resume after this. But yeah, we're gonna take some photos, maybe do some montage footage. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. Guys, we're back. We just made a couple laps around the track. So far what I got was 137. I kind of did a 40 roll with my buddy Frank when we wanted to test out the cars. But yeah, my second run I did 152. God damn, the heart rate sounds so good. But yeah, my second run I did 152 and I started at 67. I don't know how right that is. It's pretty windy right now, so the times are a little off. But that sounds about right, because the start I was around about 60 to 60 like 3. So I'm guessing the tire difference and the wind might be calculating a little different. But yeah, not too bad. We're gonna do some draggy runs and some logs. Maybe send it out to the tuner, see what we can do. So we're just waiting, letting her cool off. My IATs are running super high right now. Running around like 130, 127, around there. So hopefully I can just cool off right now and maybe just line up and straight go. Hopefully the car doesn't heat up too much. We'll see how it goes. Yo YouTube, we're back, and yeah, we had a successful day. No one crashed. Cars are still in one piece. Unfortunately, our times weren't the best, but you know, it is what it is. Sometimes you win some, you lose some. IATs were really hot, so that's the one downside of racing in the summer with these M5s. They just get too hot. So yeah, the fastest I trapped at was at 155, 156 on the draggy, you know, show something like that. And he did about the same, and you know, we were expecting a little more, but sometimes you just gotta walk away with what you got. We still got 2 cars, still work. So yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed the content, stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See ya, peace.